Hey friends, if you're already in spring cleaning and decluttering mode, closets, garages, junk drawers, don't forget one area that probably needs it even more, your finances. Spring is the perfect time to reset, refresh, and make sure your money actually matches your life right now, not the version of you from 3 years ago. So today we're talking about how to spring clean your finances, what to update, and what to put on autopilot. Hey there, I'm Jess. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things insurance, business, finance, and productivity. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when we post new videos. All right, let's start with step 1. Cut what's quietly draining your money. First up, silent budget leaks. These are things that don't feel dramatic, but definitely add up fast. Subscriptions, streaming services, apps, monthly subscription boxes, software trials you forgot to cancel. Go through your bank statement and highlight every recurring charge and ask yourself, do I actually use this? Would I sign up for it today? Is there a cheaper version? If not, cut it. Old memberships like the gym that you haven't been to in months, clubs or subscriptions tied to a season of life you've outgrown. It's okay to let go of things that no longer fit. Insurance you're overpaying for. Rates change, life changes. If you haven't reviewed your policies in a while, you could be paying more than necessary. This is a great time to get quotes or at least review coverages with your agent. If you don't have an agent, get one. This is a great resource for discounts you might be missing out on. If you're in Georgia or the Carolinas, call me. Bank fees. Are you paying maintenance fees, overdraft fees, ATM fees? There are too many good banking options now to be losing money to unnecessary fees. Make sure you have free checking and that you have the minimum required in savings to not get dinged with a monthly fee. Number 2, let's talk about updating what no longer fits your life. What needs adjusting, not cutting. Your financial setup should match your current life. Check your insurance coverage after lifestyle changes. Did you get married, have a baby, start a business, pay off debt, buy a home? If so, your coverage may need updating. Think about your vehicles, any home updates or new valuables. Did you buy a new car, renovate your kitchen, purchase expensive equipment for your business? Make sure your policies reflect those changes. Deductibles that don't match your savings. If your emergency fund has grown, maybe you can raise your deductible and lower your premium. If savings are tight, maybe a lower deductible makes more sense. Your financial plan shouldn't stay frozen in time. Number 3, organize and automate. Here's the part that makes life easier. Spring cleaning and decluttering isn't just about removing, it's also about simplifying. Put bills on autopay. If your income is steady, automate your fixed bills. This reduces stress and missed payments. Just make sure you still review your transactions monthly. Automate your savings. If savings feels inconsistent, automate it. $25 or $50 a week adds up. Set it and let it build quietly. Future you will be so grateful. Do a digital declutter. Do you have multiple budgeting apps, old accounts, too many costly apps? Simplify. The fewer moving parts, the easier it is to stay consistent. Number 4, prepare for spring and summer expenses. This is where most people get caught off guard. Spring and summer spending creeps up fast. Think about it. Travel, home maintenance, kids' sports camps, weddings or events, business expenses, higher utility bills. Instead of reacting later, set a sinking fund, also known as a savings fund, for these expenses. Even if you set aside a small amount each week, you'll avoid the credit card scramble. Planning ahead helps you keep stress at bay. Number 5, start a low spend spring challenge and make it fun. Before summer spending ramps up, give yourself a reset. Try a low spend spring challenge. Here's what to do. Schedule no spend days. Pick 1 to 2 days a week where you spend nothing. No online shopping, no restaurants, no coffee, etc. Make sure you're intentional when you do need to buy something. Wait 24 hours before purchasing any non-essentials. Ask yourself, do I need this? Am I bored? Is this really just a want? Then reset your good money habits. Cook more at home. Use what you already have. Finish projects before you start a new one. This isn't about restriction, but about being intentional and building momentum before summer hits. Spring cleaning and decluttering your finances doesn't need to be extreme. It's just about alignment. Cut what's draining you. Update what's outdated. Automate what you can, prepare for what's coming, and reset your spending habits before the busy spring and summer begins. Your money should support your life, not quietly or loudly stress you out. If you found this helpful, comment Spring Reset below and let me know what's one thing you're cutting or updating this month. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, friends.